The kingdom of Sabzipur awakens, its streets teeming with life and bursting with vibrant colors. Amidst the lively market, Princess Aubergine strolls with grace. She greets her people with warmth. She samples the day's fresh produce with delight. The kingdom thrives under her gentle care. Every corner of Sabzipur reflects her dedication to her people. A wave of strange magic washes over Sabzipur Castle, unseen yet powerful. The royal staff collapses, their words unfinished, their duties abandoned. The king and queen succumb, their regal composure dissolving into peaceful slumber. Princess Aubergine watches, her face a mask of horror as the curse spreads. Silence descends upon the castle as the sleeping curse claims its victims. In the dimly lit royal library of Sabzipur Castle, Princess Aubergine's silhouette is cast against towering shelves of forgotten lore. Candlelight dances across the aged parchment as she searches frantically for a cure, her brow furrowed with worry. Her fingers trace the faded ink, landing on a passage, and the weight of destiny settles upon her shoulders. The prophecy foretells of the prince who never sleeps, the only one capable of breaking the curse. The castle holds its breath, waiting for the dawn of a new hope. Princess Aubergine sets forth, her aubergine carriage a tiny beacon of hope against the backdrop of a slumbering kingdom. Drawn by a team of gentle goats, the carriage embarks on its quest, leaving behind the silent spires of Sabzipur. She bids farewell to the sleeping kingdom, her heart filled with determination. With a mix of trepidation and resolve, she ventures into the unknown, her spirit undeterred by the daunting task ahead. The aubergine carriage rolls onward, a symbol of hope in a land shrouded by enchantment. Her quest begins, a lonely princess against a kingdom held captive by a mysterious spell. Deep in the jungle, Princess Aubergine's ornate carriage glides, a spectacle of royal elegance amidst raw nature. The carriage is abruptly surrounded by talking vegetable creatures. A carrot with a monocle steps forward. The carrot speaks with unnerving politeness. "Welcome, Princess Aubergine. We have been expecting you." A broccoli, with a booming voice, commands, "To proceed, you must answer our riddles of the garden." A mischievous pea pod chimes in with a playful threat. "Or face the consequences, which may involve excessive fiber." Princess Aubergine's carriage halts. The exotic birds flutter nervously, sensing the bizarre challenge ahead. A riverbank awakens as an aubergine carriage arrives, its presence hinting at the extraordinary events about to unfold. Princess Aubergine, with unwavering resolve, gathers giant lettuce leaves, her every movement precise and purposeful. A leafy raft emerges under Princess Aubergine's skilled hands, a vessel of hope ready to defy the currents. As Princess Aubergine embarks on her voyage, mischievous water sprites surface, their laughter echoing a challenge to her quest. With ornate oar in hand, Princess Aubergine skillfully battles the water sprites, her determination shining amidst the chaos. High in the mountains, Princess Aubergine's carriage ascends a steep, winding path, each turn promising both peril and possibility. A wise old carrot appears, leafy hair dancing in the wind, an unlikely guide offering a treacherous shortcut. The carrot speaks, its voice a rustling whisper. "Be warned, the sleeping prince has unusual habits." Princess Aubergine leans forward, intrigued and wary, her gaze fixed on the carrot's knowing face. The carriage turns sharply, embarking on the shortcut, the landscape growing wilder and more mysterious with each twist. Deep in the mountains, danger and wonder intertwine as the princess ventures further into the unknown. After a long journey, Princess Aubergine arrives at the shimmering river, the sunlight dancing on its surface. She beholds Prince Nindoram, sleeping peacefully amidst fluffy pillows. Fluffy pillows cradle Prince Nindoram, the soft fabric reflecting the gentle light. A serene expression graces Prince Nindoram's face as he slumbers by the river. The scene exudes tranquility as the gentle river and sleeping prince create a haven of peace. Beside the sparkling river, Princess Aubergine towers over Prince Nindoram's still form. Desperate, Princess Aubergine grabs a small drum and strikes it with frantic force. When the drum fails, she unleashes a torrent of song, her voice echoing through the air in a desperate plea. With mounting fear, Princess Aubergine scoops up water, her hands trembling as she prepares for one last attempt. In a final act of desperation, she splashes the cold water onto his face, her eyes wide with anxiety. Beside the sparkling river, Princess Aubergine meticulously prepares her spicy aubergine chutney. Her brow furrows in concentration as she surveys the foraged ingredients spread before her. She reaches for the mortar and pestle, preparing to grind her unique mixture. With determined focus, she begins to grind, the rhythmic motion filling the air with a pungent aroma. The air thickens with the spicy scent of aubergine, a testament to her culinary skill. The vibrant colors and intense aroma promise a culinary experience unlike any other. Beside a sparkling river, Princess Aubergine leans close, the scent of spicy aubergine chutney wafting towards Prince Nindoram. A gentle promise hangs in the air. If you wake up, I'll make you a royal eggplant biryani. The aroma of spices dances around Prince Nindoram, a fragrant plea to stir him from his slumber. Princess Aubergine's hopeful gaze lingers, waiting for any sign of reaction from Prince Nindoram. The river's gentle murmur underscores the quiet tension as the princess awaits a response. Her royal promise hangs in the balance, as the fate of a biryani and perhaps more rests on a single awakening. Beside the sparkling river, Prince Nindoram's eyes flutter open. He rises, energized, as if awakened from a deep slumber. A sudden thought sparks in his mind. Did you say eggplant biryani? The mere mention of the dish ignites his senses. I'm alive. The river flows, reflecting the light, as Prince Nindoram sits in contemplation. His spirit soars, rejuvenated by the thought of the biryani. Princess Aubergine and Prince Nindoram journey back to Sabzipur, their aubergine carriage, a beacon of hope against the horizon. As they approach the kingdom gates, a palpable sense of anticipation fills the air, signaling the return of royalty. The very earth seems to stir as they cross the threshold, an awakening energy rippling outward, embracing all within Sabzipur. A wave of revitalizing energy sweeps through the land, promising renewal and prosperity under their reign. The sun rises over Sabzipur, painting the awakening town in hues of gold and promise. People emerge from their homes, stretching towards the new day with sleepy smiles and hopeful hearts. A wave of jubilation sweeps through Sabzipur as Princess Aubergine and Prince Nindoram appear. Gratitude shines in their eyes, reflecting the town's heroic rescue and the dawn of a brighter future. Inside Sabzipur Castle, a grand feast is underway, promising delight to all who partake. Princess Aubergine and Prince Nindoram unite, their hands moving in harmony to craft a royal delicacy. With meticulous care, they blend spices and ingredients, their shared purpose filling the air with anticipation. The aroma of their royal eggplant biryani begins to weave through the castle, a fragrant promise of the feast to come. The royal kitchen transforms into a symphony of culinary artistry, each action a note in a gastronomic masterpiece. The delicious aroma of the royal eggplant biryani permeates every corner of the kingdom, enticing all with its savory allure. Sabzipur explodes with joyous revelry as the kingdom unites in a grand vegetable feast. Tables overflow with vibrant dishes, a colorful spectacle under the bright sky. Amid the cheerful chaos, Princess Aubergine beams. This feast is magnificent. It warms my heart to see everyone so happy. Prince Nindoram nods in agreement. Indeed, Aubergine. Sharing laughter, kindness, and these delicious vegetable dishes with our people is what truly matters. The air buzzes with laughter and music, binding the kingdom in shared joy and camaraderie.